Perform at your best with 12th Gen Intel Core processors. The IdeaPad 3i Gen 7 laptop lets you perform and study at your best. There's also plenty of space for all your digital files, including a dual solid-state and hard disk drive option, combining storage and speed. And don't worry about your desk getting cluttered, thanks to the full-function USB-C port for faster data transfer, power delivery, and 4K display connectivity. Crystal clear collaboration. Say goodbye to poor quality video calls. The IdeaPad 3i Gen 7 laptop has dual-array microphones to ensure everyone can be heard loud and clear, while Dolby audio speakers deliver awesome sound. Smart noise cancelling technology. Made to travel exceptionally slim, just 19.9 mm, 0.78, the IdeaPad 3i Gen 7 laptop slips easily into any backpack or bag, making it perfect for on-the-go use. It also has an easy-to-carry design, ideal for when moving between meetings or rooms. Camera, HD, 720p, camera with privacy shutter. The 15.6 inches FHD display on the IdeaPad 3i Gen 7 has an optional touchscreen with wide-angle viewing, ideal for viewing your favorite shows with friends. And with more than 80% active area ratio, you can see more and do more on your laptop, day in, day out. The IdeaPad 3i Gen 7 and Lenovo AI Engine combine to boost power, display, voice, and wireless connections. The Smart Wireless feature reconnects you in real time for stable streaming, while background blur helps keep your video conferencing professional.